posible ba nga lisod man gyud usbo ng constitution? Posible ba nga true statute murag balaod lang siya like sa amendment or repeal sa LGC para mas dali siya nga mura siya naong federalism kay murag mas dali man siguro nga true statute siya kaysa my question is there a need to change the constitution nga para madayon yun atong federalism, sir?
Ang sistema sa federalismo magbago sa istruktura sa gobyerno. Sa dili mahimo by ordinary law. Kinahanglan revision of the constitution. And balikon ko sa Panginoon na tingali ang pinakamadali sa pagbago sa constitution. And I do not necessarily disparage the other way of doing it. There are two ways na we will limit ourselves: Constitutional Convention or Constituent Assembly. The earliest thing that can happen is to do it by Constituent Assembly. Ang problema, kung dili maligon ang liderato, magkalat ka na diya sa Kongreso kay lain-lain man ilang agenda. O ipadayon sa nimo by Constitutional Convention muna eleksyon pa na tibuok nasod. So the process will even take longer if that is the point of your question. So yun.
How will we move towards the next step so we will have an election for the CONCON?
Very simply, number one, get organized. Your voice will not be heard unless you are organized. If you speak individually, ang epekto sa inyong individual nga tingog dili pareho. Kung grupo makita nila, uy, ang Cebu nag-organize man, kusog ni, kailangan na atong paminahon. And therefore, after you organize, get your ideas disseminated through media. Ayaw kalente nga under modern technology, dili nimo mahimong pasandan na way labot ang media. Media is the easiest way to disseminate public information today. So you work with media.
Bought by Veloso Foundation. I'm the president of the Veloso because I'm the Veloso and I'm Sumenya also. Now the reason why we have this because we're concerned about how to go about federalism. Because Mayor Sitoy has other proposals. In fact, Mayor Sitoy suggested that we should have by provinces. And all of this cannot be decided by talking and talking. So what we're doing here is that the foundation has initiated this affair so that we'll be united in bringing about how to present federalism or parliamentary system. We cannot do this unless one of these days we should group together all of you who are interested to make this a success and sit down and decide how we're going to go about this. Because we cannot keep on talking and talking. So what we're doing here is that the foundation has initiated this affair so that we'll be united in bringing about how to present federalism or parliamentary system. We cannot do this unless one of these days we should group together all of you who are interested to make this a success and sit down and decide how we're going to go about to do this. Because we cannot keep on talking and talking. So we have to be related in bringing about on how to implement the detail. Because important is the detail. Because presentation here of we have today is different from the other suggestions with other people. So let us decide as for Cebu how we'll introduce our culture in our parliamentary system. Unless we do this, let's unite and coordinate with our foundation how to do this so that we can accomplish this in the faster way of accomplishing this and present this to President Digong what we want to happen as far as terrorism is concerned. Thank you.